They're dying.
Okay, raise your hand. Tell her.
I don't think so. The flowers are doing what, honey? They're dying. The flowers are
That's mine.
Good though. That's good. What else do you see?
I see trees that's changing.
The trees are changing. Good.
And they are falling down.
Yeah.
Falling down.
We talked about that.
Yeah, I already said that.
Yep, Jack said that. Good job. What?
The leaf changed for
Okay.
it.
They what?
The leaf changed how they're standing for.
That's right. And look at this.
Trees.
Yeah. What did we say happened with that? They fell down because of the snow. That's right. Shh, be careful. Okay. Let's stay in line, guys. See, look what happened.
They smell good.
What happened to those?
They fell down because of the fly.
Good.
Oh my God, this is making a lot of noise. My mom needs to go. Look at that.
I know. Look at that.
Look at that. What's happening?
What?
That's what you get.
I know.